Let me ask you one simple question. Why are you still not fluent in English, even after months or years of learning? You studied grammar, you memorized vocabulary, you watched videos. But when it's time to speak, you feel stuck, slow, or not confident. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. Fluency is not about talent, it is about daily habits. And today, I, Daniel, your English teacher, will show you exactly how to fix that. Welcome to Daily English JC, where we turn beginners into confident English speakers step by step. Take a deep breath, focus, and give me just a few minutes of your attention, because what you are about to learn can completely change the way you learn English. Today's lesson is simple, powerful, and life-changing. 7 daily habits for fluent English. Now, listen carefully. Many learners believe that fluency comes from studying a lot in one day, but that is not true. Learning English is like going to the gym. If you train for 5 hours one day and then stop for a week, nothing changes. But if you train a little every day, your body becomes stronger. English works the same way. If you practice a little every day, your brain starts to adapt. English becomes natural. Words come faster. Speaking becomes easier. But if you only study sometimes, your brain forgets, and every time feels like starting again from zero. That is why daily habits are everything. And here's the good news. You don't need hours. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day can completely transform your English. Now, let's start with the first habit. Habit number 1, listen to English every day. Before you speak English well, you must hear it many times. Your brain needs to learn the sounds, the rhythm, the music of the language. Think about children. They listen for months before they speak. You must do the same. Listen to podcasts, videos, conversations, anything simple and interesting. You can listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing. At the beginning, you will not understand everything, and that is normal. Don't stop. Your brain is learning even when you don't realize it. The more you listen, the easier English becomes. Habit number 2, speak English out loud every day. This is where many learners fail. They listen, they read, but they don't speak. And then they say, I understand English, but I can't speak. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve with practice. You don't need a partner. You can practice alone. Repeat sentences you hear. Pause and speak. Talk about your day. Describe your environment. Simple sentences like, today I woke up early. I am learning English. I feel motivated today. It may feel strange at first, but this is how confidence is built. Your brain and your mouth must work together. And now, before we continue, let me tell you something important. If you are serious about improving your English, this is your moment. Pause for 1 second, subscribe to Daily English JC, and join this learning journey with me, Daniel. Because here, we don't just learn English, we build real habits that change your life. Now, let's continue. Habit number 3, learn and use new words every day. Vocabulary is your power. But don't try to learn 100 words in one day. That doesn't work. Learn 5 to 10 words. That's enough. But here's the secret. Use them. If you learn the word improve, say, I want to improve my English. If you learn the word practice, say, I practice English every day. Use the words immediately. That is how your brain remembers them. Keep a notebook, write words, review them, repeat them. Small steps, big results. Habit number 4, think in English. This is a game changer. Most learners think in their language, then translate. That makes speaking slow and difficult. Start thinking directly in English. Simple thoughts. I am tired. I need to study. I am going to eat. During the day, describe your actions in your mind. This trains your brain to create English automatically. At first, it's hard, but slowly it becomes natural. Habit number 5, read something in English every day. Reading helps you see how English really works. You don't need difficult books. Start simple. Short stories, easy articles, subtitles. Read for 10 minutes. Don't worry about every word. Focus on understanding the idea. When you see a useful word, write it down. Reading builds your vocabulary, your grammar, and your confidence. Habit number 6, write a few sentences every day. Writing helps you organize your thoughts. Write 3 to 5 sentences daily. For example, today I studied English. I learned new words. I feel more confident. You can also write your plans. Tomorrow, I will practice speaking. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Writing makes your English stronger and clearer. Habit number 7, be consistent and stay patient. This is the most important habit. English is not learned in one day, not in 1 week. It takes time. Some days you will feel progress. Some days you will feel stuck. That is normal. But if you keep going, you will improve. Even 15 minutes a day is powerful. Consistency beats intensity. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, it all matters. Now, let's make it simple. Here's a daily routine you can follow. Listen for 10 minutes, learn words for 5 minutes, speak for 5 minutes, read for 10 minutes, write for 5 minutes, and think in English during your day. That's it. Simple, powerful, effective. If you follow this every day, your English will improve step by step. Now, listen carefully because this is important. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You just need to start. And today is the best day to start. So, here's your mission. After this video, choose at least one habit and start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. And if you want to go further, if you want to become fluent, and natural in English, subscribe now to Daily English JC. I'm Daniel, and I will guide you step by step on this journey. We learn together, we grow together. Remember this, fluency is built every single day. So start today and never stop. See you in the next lesson.